A box of popcorn, strawberry jam, jelly candies ice cream, and sweet donuts. This is not the menu of my dreams. This is a collection of new edible phone cases. Bon appetit! My friend and I are going to the movies. We can't do without popcorn whenever we go there, but this time Redhead persuades me not to buy it. Print a layout of a popcorn box to fit the size of a phone case. Assemble the box and hot glue it together. Hot glue the assembled cup to the phone case and fill it with popcorn. Finally, the movie starts and everything becomes crystal clear now. My friend has sneaked her own popcorn into the movie theater in a creative phone case. We put on glasses and enjoy our movie. It is so handy to have both popcorn and your phone on hand. You may watch a movie and write a review at the same time. It's such a beautiful morning. What? What time is it? Oh, I'm running late again. And I don't have any time for breakfast as usual, but there's a great way to take breakfast to go. Slightly whip 1 egg white and add 4 to 5 ounces of powdered sugar. Mix it to get a smooth consistency. Put the sugar glaze you get into a few containers. And add different food colorings into each. Attach ring cereals to a clean phone case with edible glue. Fill the whole surface. Pour the glaze of one color into a Ziploc. Snip off a corner and squeeze the bright mass onto the rings. You get a mini donut. Interchange the glaze colors randomly. Use tweezers to decorate the donuts with small sprinkles. A healthy breakfast will always be on hand with a phone case like this. I take a small donut off the phone case and put it into my mouth. My friend is bored with eating her cotton candy out of a cup. Then I will show her my balloon phone case with cotton candy clouds. Attach a blue foam rubber base to the phone case. Put a picture with silhouettes of a balloon and clouds on top. And score the outlines with a pencil. Cover the balloon picture with edible glue and add colored sprinkles on top. Draw a ribbon using a liquid food marker and trace the balloon outline. Use cotton candy of different colors for clouds. Attach it with edible glue. It is very easy to make a nice day on my phone case. You just have to eat all the cotton candy clouds and let the balloon fly into the clear sky. My friend is a real sweet tooth. I wanted to bake cookies for her, but this is so corny. Today, I will make her day with something absolutely exceptional. We have been walking in a park for a long time, and my sweet tooth friends has gotten a little hungry. Everything we see around is grass and trees, and there is not a single street stand with sweets here. Not a problem. We still have a phone wearing a bright strawberry case with a sweet secret inside. Mark the borders of a phone case on paper. Don't forget about a camera hole. Draw a big strawberry in the center. Make it a little wider than the case. Put the template on a red foam rubber sheet and score the phone case silhouette tracing the strawberry. Use a pencil, cut it out, and attach it to the phone case using double-sided tape. Fold clear plastic in half and trace the strawberry outline on it with a permanent marker. Cut out 2 details. Fasten them with a binder clip and make a hole using a single hole punch. Run the heated nozzle of a hot glue gun along the edge to attach the details. The thin plastic seals easily. Fill a big syringe with strawberry jam and pour it into the plastic strawberry through the hole. Fasten the hole with tape. Store the strawberry template on the phone case. Hot glue the plastic berry with jam. Decorate the strawberry with a foam rubber frame of the same color on top.